In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can hide your likes and views on your post on Instagram. This is a very new feature guys. Let me show you how you can use it and how you can gain as much as positivity from it. Let's launch the Instagram app first. For this example guys, we're going to create a brand new post. So go ahead and click on the lower center of the screen, hit the plus sign, and let's create a brand new post. In our example, we are going to use this image over here. So let's click the next function and let's add some stupid filter. I never like these filters guys, but for the sake of this example, let's use the random filter. So let's presume that our post will be going live right now. So in our example, we're going to simply slap a very generic title: Ferrari test drive 2024. Okay, we're going to tag Ferrari, we're going to hit on the car, we're going to tag Ferrari because we want to have as much as chances to get viral. And when we're ready to get this post going guys, you want to hit the advanced settings, the last option. Okay, you want to click advanced settings, and the second option here will be hide the likes and the view counts. When you click on this option over here, only you will be able to see how many people saw the post, how many people liked the post, how many people view if it's a video, how many people reacted, how many people commented. All these interactions, all this public perception and feedback will remain private for the public, and you're gonna be the only person who will be able to see it. This is simply recommended for small accounts who are looking to get brand deals, right? If you have a small account, I know if you have 1 view, 3 views, 5 views, right? It's hard to get a brand deal. But if you hide this, you might be able to persevere the hard times until you actually grow up to a bigger account. And this is how you enable this function. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and come back for more.